What you are looking at right now is a full set of GOGOTOY Thanos battle damage accessories. The first one is a battle damage gauntlet. You got the forearm and two sets of hands, the snapping hand and the open hand. The next one is a double-bladed sword. You get an option to make it like a full sword or a broken sword. You will also get a replacement forearm for the left arm with three optional hands: the holding hand, closed fist hand, and the open hand. And then you're also gonna get additional ball joints. These are used for the peg, or for the arms. And this one is for the neck peg for your head sculpt. First head sculpt is a despair face sculpt. Another one is a smiling one, which is a surprise for me. And I will explain that later in the video. Seems like it is a complacent feeling. Thanos thinks he already won the battle. Aray kita! Okay, brothers and sisters, this is Thanos with the broken sword. Seems like the sword is a little too big, but it looks nice, so it doesn't matter. It's beautiful. The details are very beautiful. In this one, brothers and sisters, Thanos is wearing the damaged nano gauntlet. Now let's replace it with the snapping finger. It's beautiful, brothers and sisters. Look at the details. The stones are gone. Okay, brothers and sisters, you're looking at GOGOTOY version of head sculpt. As you can see, the sculpt itself, it's perfect. But the skin tone, oh man, it's very disappointing. It does not match at all. How can they mess this up? And seems like there's too much blood. It's not good. Again, the sculpt is good. It's very good. There's no complaint. The skin tone, and then too much blood. Disappointing. Let's check the other face sculpt or the head sculpt. Brothers and sisters, this is the second head sculpt from GOGOTOY. This head sculpt is wrong. It's just totally wrong. This is not the one that they advertised. This is not the one that I want to buy. And I will show you pictures. Pictures that the one they advertised. That's the one that I want.